Here is a short tutorial on how to install, remove, or replace a light bulb in this Rustic oil lantern electric lamp. We're gonna go ahead and pull the top piece up. Once the top piece is all the way pulled up, the glass cover could be slowly eased out from the side. The bottom base is loose to make sure there's enough leeway for you to move the bottom piece when you need to slide the glass out. Once the glass is out, we can go ahead and remove this flame bulb, and we'll go ahead and install the regular bulb in here. Both bulbs are included when you buy this lamp, so you'll get both effects. The replacement bulb is in its place. We're going to pull up the top piece and go ahead and ease the glass back into the center. Once the glass is back in the center, we'll match the grooves here, and this will clamp the glass and bulb firmly in place. And that's how you install a replacement bulb. Thanks for watching.